Hello everybody, hope you're doing fantastic. Mr. Wonderful is always fantastic. Okay. I've got another customer. I've got an email. Somebody in Devon wanted me to make them a 10 pence ring with the lines on it, and I happen to have a few of them knocking around because I go to the UK once a year, so I bring back all my change. So I'm going to use a small punch because it's not a big coin. I'll use a 3/8 punch. This seems very zoomed in today, was it me? No, it's still 1.1. I mean, okay. Perhaps my camera's lower in its holder. Right. Let's go over to Big Bertha. And punch a hole in it. There she is. Looking rather ravishing as usual. That went through. A lovely jubbly. Right. It's just slap on the bottom. Oops daisy. What happened there? I just lost the feed to my monitor. I must have turned it off. Right. Let us come on, what's wrong with it? That's better. Right. So now let's take it out. It's another windy day here today. Hear that? I love the sound of wind. This is Christy Burr. It just cleans up that inside edge. Them two guys I made that pride ring for, they loved it. They said, I wish I'd have got two. I said, I'm quite surprised you didn't. You know, one each. So they said when they get back, they'll order another one. I said, yeah, I said, I'm quite surprised you didn't have one each, but, you know, they probably weren't thinking on holiday, you know. But they were chuffed to bits with it, so thanks, guys. They hadn't seen the video yet. They're going to see it when they get home. Right, that's pretty good. So we'll show a bit of love with Bernie, the fire starter. Lighter would be good, wouldn't it? Okay, got it. How's it got it? That's good. Goody goody. Goody goody. Right, let's dry it off. And we'll get out our little doming block. So obviously it's going to be sunny side up on the ring. Not quite. This one will do. We'll go over to Big Red and do the business on it. And then we need one of my 17-degree folding dice. No. It's absolutely crazy. You drive me crazy. There's a bit there. I don't think that's enough though. Yeah, that's done the job. Right. We'll give it a bit of the old sandy. Clean up that edge a bit. That doesn't seem too bad. Bit of kitchen roll. And we'll go over the spike. And start giving it a bit of the old stretch. Or is this going to go over? Getting it started because I use such a small. Right. I have to do this on my lap. And see what we can do now. Kitchen roll just protects the inside of the coin, so you don't lose the detail. Give a bit of a turn each time. It stretches the ring equally all the way around. You don't want a lopsided ring, do you? Right, a bit more kitchen roll. That was getting a bit sad. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. Still there, and it's getting harder to work again. So, yep. It needs a bit more of the old love and affection. Yeah, if you're looking for a ring, I'll help you make you one. Custom order. It costs the same. Plus you get the video. And I got them 50p's yesterday. That 50p yesterday. And so there's 10p. So yeah, happy to do it for you. Right. That's better. Just looking to get that bow out of the coin. There you go. That's just cone shape now. There's a little ding there. That was on the coin already, I think. But let's see what happens. Right, I think I'm warming up again. It's getting really hard. So now we can go down to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dice. There's a little bit there, not much, but there's a bit. And then we can go into this one. I use a bit of the old Luby Loo on it. There it is. You just want to get them all straight. There you go, nice straight walls. Check the size. You just look for about 10.5. You weren't too sure. So let's just clean out this inside edge. Right. It was a size 10. Stupid boy. There you go. Right, let us take out Felton John. Back in Kate. And clean it up a bit. I'll have to use a bit of, oh, I've got an older one here. I'll do the inside. Right, let's whack in Felton John. A bit of polish. Let's get going. Ouch. Getting a bit hot. So if you're not subscribed, how about it? Hit the subscribe button for me. It's about there somewhere, little red button. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. There's no obligation. I'm not going to bother you. It's free. And it helps me out a bit. Well, it helps me out a lot, to be honest with you. So check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's other stuff in there besides rings. You can even send me your own coins. And I'll gladly turn it into a ring for. All I need from you is your ring size, which you can get from a jeweller's. Alright, I think that'll do. Clean off the old mingers a bit. My hands always look terrible because you wash them and that, but it gets ingrained into your pores. But you know, that's what I do, so it is what it is, yeah. Give a bit more of a wipe round. Right, what we got? How's it looking? Not too bad. Quality of the metal's not that good, but there you go. You still got the text on the inside. Good old Lizzie. Right. Thanks for watching. It fits this finger perfectly. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Got any ideas you want me to do or things you want me to try? Happy to do it for you. Hope you have a great day, safe day, and God willing, I'll see you all on the next video. Whenever that is, I'm not too sure. Hopefully soon.